Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to our science class. So today we are going to start with our new chapter, lesson 2, birds. Dear children, birds are found everywhere. Yes, the birds such as crows, mynas, parrots are live on trees, and eagles, vultures spend their lifetime flying in the air in search of food. And ostriches, kiwis, emus cannot fly; they live on land. And some birds live near rivers, lakes, ponds. Such birds are known as water birds. Ducks, crane, pelican, swan are also water birds. So birds such as crows, parrots, mynas and owls live on trees. Vultures, eagles, they spend their lifetime by flying in air in search of food. And ostriches, emus, kiwis cannot fly. They live on land. And some water birds. What are water birds? Birds that live near rivers, lakes, oceans and ponds. Ducks, cranes, pelicans, swan, they are all water birds. There are some special features for water birds. We know that water birds live near rivers, ponds, lakes. Yes, but why their body is not wet? Because they have an oil pouch or oil gland. They produce oil, and this oil prevent the feathers from getting wet. Next, bird's body parts. So here I have drawn one bird, and this is the bird eye. Yes, this is beak, and this is wings, and here at the tail having tail feathers. So these feathers have some peculiar features. So feathers are three types. Which are they? They are body feathers, down feathers, flight feathers. First, body feathers. Body feathers are small, stiff, and they covers the outer surface of the bird's body, and they give shape to the bird. Give shape to the body. So first is body feathers. They are seen in the body. Yes. So they are small and stiff. They are small and stiff, and they covers the outer surface of the body, and it gives shape to the bird's body. Next, down feathers. Down feathers are also small and fluffy, and they give warmth to the body. These feathers give warmth to the body. Once more, down feathers. Down feathers are small, fluffy, and they keep the body warm. They keep the body warm. Next, flight feathers. Flight feathers are long and flat. They are seen on wings and tails, and they helps to fly and change the direction of the wind. So last feathers is flight feathers. They are flat and long. They are seen on wings and tail. They helps to fly and helps to change the way of direction. So the bird's body consists of feathers, three type of feathers. Which are they? Down feather, body feathers, down feathers, flight feathers. Body feathers are small and stiff. They covers the outer surface of the body, and it gives shape to the body. Next is down feathers, which is small and fluffy, and they keep the body warm. Next is flight feathers. They are long and flat. They are seen on wings and tails, and they help to fly and also change the direction of the wind. And here children, you can see the eye. All the birds have two eyes, two ears, yes, beak. Yes, they have two holes in the beak, and these holes are used to breathe, and also birds breathe by opening the beak. Behind each eye there is a tiny spot covered with thin skin. This is the ear of the bird which helps to hear the sound. Next, how do birds fly? Birds fly because the birds have a boat-shaped structure so that they can fly. Their body has some peculiar features so that they can easily fly on air. Birds have boat-shaped structure so they can easily move through air. The bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes body of the bird lightweight and float easily in the air. They flap their wings upward and downward. This helps them to move forward. So what peculiar features make the birds to fly? Most birds fly, yes, and these birds have boat-shaped structure in order to go easily through the air. And bones are hollow and filled with air. So due to the light weight, they can easily float on air, and birds move by flapping the wings. By upward and backward movement, this leads to forward movement of wings. So upward and backward movement of wings helps the birds to move forward. So today we have studied about water birds, then where do different birds lives, and the bodies, parts of the birds, and 3 type of feathers. So beside these body parts, I have told you that there is a small thin spot here covered with skin, and this is ear. So the birds can hear through this thin spot, and they have 2 holes in the beak which help us to breathe, and they also breathe by opening their beaks. And there are 3 feathers which is very important. Then tail feathers which is found in the wings and the tail, which helps to fly and which can change the way of direction. Then body feathers which is small and stiff, which covers the body surface, which gives shape to the body. And down feathers which is also small and fluffy, and which keeps the bird's body warm. So read the textbook, go through the important points, never waste your time. Till we meet again, bye.